heard reactions from DMK. They are building pressure to reverse the system. Politics has erupted over the issue. Now the opposition is demanding a CBI probe in the matter. Mr. Gaurav Gogoi says that no substantive inquiry has happened. There should be a CBI probe.
एग्जाम सेंटर्स का जो एक नेक्सस बन चुका है, कोचिंग सेंटर्स, एग्जाम सेंटर्स का जो एक नेक्सस है, जिसने पूरे आज हमारे मध्यम वर्ग, गरीब वर्ग के परिवारों का घर अस्थिर कर दिया है, पैसे मांगकर कि आप पैसे दो पेपर लो, पैसे दो प्रश्न जानो। 10 लाख, 20 लाख, 30 लाख, 40 लाख, इस प्रकार का जो ये नेक्सस है, क्या एनटीए इसकी जांच कर पाएगा? अगर एग्जाम सेंटर्स को, कोचिंग सेंटर्स को कहीं से किसी सुराग से अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला है तो इसमें जरूर कोई एनटीए का अधिकारी या अधिकारी इसमें शामिल है। तो कहां से एनटीए निष्पक्ष जांच कर सकता है जब उन्हीं के अफसर या उनके ऑफिशियल्स इसमें शामिल हुए हैं? मैं तो धन्यवाद करता हूं राहुल गांधी जी का कि निर्वाचन के परिणाम के बाद जो सबसे पहला सार्वजनिक मुद्दा उन्होंने उठाया वो ये 24 लाख भारतीय युवा वर्ग के भविष्यों पर जो एक दाग लग चुका है, ये मुद्दा उन्होंने पहले उठाया।
Well, we have Varshini on the broadcast as well. Varshini, today's development in the top court has armed the opposition. Gaurav Gogoi there slamming the center, opposition demanding CBI probe. But most importantly, DMK, reiterating its stand. DMK says, reverse the system. Let the states conduct the exams and scrap NEET.
Absolutely, yes. The DMK party has always been, the first standing in the front when it comes to fighting against the NEET examination. And we have seen several protests that Tamil Nadu has witnessed by the DMK party, asking for an exemption from the NEET examination. In fact, this is one of their most important poll promises, where they promised the voters during 2021 assembly elections that they will be, working for scrapping the NEET examination, at least getting an exemption for the state of Tamil Nadu. Now, with all these allegations from other states as well, this has also been a very important point for the DMK to take this issue up. In fact, they're speaking about how initially when Tamil Nadu was fighting alone, all the other states considered this issue to be a very state-oriented issue and nobody came in support of Tamil Nadu. But now, many states in India, particularly states like Rajasthan, etc., have been facing similar accusations and issues, and now is the time that we all understand that this is a national issue and everybody should come together is what essentially the DMK is saying at this point of time. And also the DMK is speaking about how it is not only about state government and central government politics that is happening here. It's also about the lives of several people, students who are losing their lives because of committing suicides because they're failing in the examination or failing to get prepared themselves for these examinations. So that is the stand that DMK is taking at this point.
All right, Varshini and Pragya, thank you very much for getting us the inputs on the center stand and on the opposition stand. We are moving on now.